Alright guys, so welcome back to this channel. Right now I want to actually show you guys AliExpress. Yes guys, so you can actually start out your own business on AliExpress and make a whole lot of money for yourself. Yes guys, so with that being said, I'll be taking you guys right into my phone screen to show you guys how you can order for things and you make a whole lot of money. You can make times three in some months, and guys, you can make a whole lot of cash for yourself. With that being said, guys, without any further ado, you here, you're literally welcome. What I do on this channel is basically I go out and look for what works. I create and I'm hoping that you guys can actually do the same and make money for yourself. With that being said, guys, let's get straight into my phone. So I'll show you guys these stuffs, how it actually you can actually implement and make money for yourself. So I'm going to show you guys today. Here, my name is Audu, and I create content all around making money. And please subscribe to the channel, it's actually free, and turn on the bell notification button so you get notified by YouTube when a new money making video is published. That being said, guys, let's get into the video how to actually do this and make a whole lot of money for yourself, even starting from little and making a whole lot of income. Let's go, guys, and let's go. Alright, so guys, welcome back to this channel. Right now I want to actually take you guys on the tour, take you guys how you could actually make money for yourself on AliExpress. Yes guys, so first of all, let's go very fast on this video. First of all, you go to your Play Store and you install the application. That's if you don't want to actually use the web. Yeah, just search for AliExpress. Alright, so this is AliExpress and it's just 50 MBs. Alright, so you just wait for it to install, and while it's installing, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Yes guys. Alright, so this is AliExpress right now, which is actually from Alibaba also. Just open it up right now. You just choose your region or your country. So I am from Nigeria, as you all know. So you literally go straight to N. Alright, so this is Nigeria right now, and you click on Nigeria and then you click on continue. So I'm taking you guys from beginning to the end. First order coupon, US dollars, 4 US dollars. Right now they are giving me 4 US dollars, and if I click on wait, I just want to sign in with my Google account, and then realdominionaudu at gmail.com, and just wait for it. You just give it a while to be loaded up actually. So you click on allow. Alright, so as you can see, all these stuffs right here right now, this is stuff of this one of, as you can see, this airport here right now is just 4 naira. Yes, and as you can see, these lights, let's see these lights, guys. Let's see this light. Wow, final price 4 naira. Guys, we can actually buy this light too, and it's actually free shipping, but it will actually take some time. Yes guys, so that's not what we want to actually do here for now. I will actually go into that in a bit. Yes guys, so the first thing you need to know is that you are buying and selling on AliExpress. Yes guys, so first of all, you need to know that buying on AliExpress is actually very swift and dope. Yeah, so firstly, you want to actually know the niche where you want to actually go into. if you're actually doing this business of buying and selling. So if you want to actually go into electronics, some people will actually go into shoes, some people are actually going to clothing. Yeah, let's try to go into shoes. Now let's go into the search bar and okay, these are some search. As you can see here, okay, 500,000 milliamps free shipping. Wow. Power bank, let's see it. As you can see here, this one is 100,000 milliamps, which is just 1,000 plus 1,500 naira. Yes, and as you can see them here, this 100,000 milliamps right now, do you know how much you can actually sell it? Like a whole lot of money, guys. Like it's really dope. I don't know what you think about it, but it's really cool. 74 sold, yeah. So it's actually available right now, which you can actually order. Yes, you can actually order it and it will actually come true. That's just the truth. And as you can see it here, okay, let's say for instance, you buy this one of 40 watts. This power bank worth 40 watts, that's 20,000 milliamps. Or as you can see this one here, which is, where is it? Okay, this dust proof 1011 is a portable home power bank. Should I say power bank? It's actually a home solar. Yes, so as you can see, this is the power bank which I'm actually talking about, which I will actually order right now. I will actually order it maybe after this video. Yeah, because it's actually cool. I don't know what you guys think about it. I'm also using a type C. Wow, it's actually dope, guys. Like, oh god. All right, guys, so yeah, let's actually look at this price. This is actually a price power bank mini super fast charging power bank, digital display, extreme external battery for iPhone and Xiaomi. All right, it can actually charge anyone. Yeah, we are in Nigeria literally. So 1,000 naira. Let's say you buy this power bank right now. Let's go to our calculator and calculator. Let's just say 1,500 naira. We buy at least 10. Okay, this is 15,000 naira, right? All right, so 15,000 naira. Should I say minus? Oh, okay, should I say this 15,000 naira, right? Let's say you bought it 15,000 naira. You just go somewhere and write down you bought it 15,000 naira, no problem. So 15,000 naira. When you come to Nigeria here, you can sell it for even 30,000 naira. Okay, let's just say you change it for 30k in Nigeria here. 30k times 10. Wow, guys, this is 300 because this is a 100,000 milliamps power bank. It's not a joke, guys. 100,000 milliamps power bank. That's what I tell you, that AliExpress is actually a very cool stuff. As you can see it here, I'm actually a discount since I am actually a new person on this place, and it's actually telling me that it will actually be arriving on the October 29th, and this is actually August 27th. Yes, August 27th. So as you can see it here, August 28th. So today is August 28th, and it's actually cool, guys. Yes, that's what this is the insight which I want to actually give you guys. You know, this is the insight. As you can see here, this is actually another dope power bank again. This is a dope power bank again. As you can see, I think it's actually a type C power bank, which you just plug into your phone like that. Which you just plug into your phone and I need to keep on charging. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. 4 colors, you can actually choose one. This is actually 3,000 naira. This one is just 5% out of discount. Yes, so as you can see them here, guys, this is actually a whole lot of dope stuff. I'm actually going to add this to my cart right now, and I'll make the payment. Sincerely, add to cart. Sincerely, I'm going to make the payment. Sincerely speaking, above 100,000 milliamps. Like, wow. Or should I even order 2? No, 1 is okay. Then let's click on continue. Item added to cart. Okay, so as you can see there, you look for other things. I just really love tech. That's why I'm actually into the tech. If you can actually do clothing, I'm just trying to give you guys insights on what you can actually do with this AliExpress and make money for yourself. Yes, guys, so this is something you can sell with you know, over 30k here. As you can see here, this is 1,500 power bank, which is 20,000 milliamps. I bought my 10,000 milliamps power bank for at the rate of, let me show you guys the power bank. Literally, I'm sure you guys know the power bank, but I will just go into my camera right now to show you guys this power bank. You guys know this power bank because I've made a video. If you are very conversant with my videos here, I'm just really impressed. Like, I'm really impressed about this. That's why I just literally want to show you guys so you can actually do it. Guys, this is something you can do and make money for yourself. As you can see here, this is the power bank. Let me go into my camera. Okay, open up. Yes, so this power bank, 20,000 milliamps power bank. How can I even show you guys 20 milliamps? What I know is a heavy power bank. I will use it down here. Alright, so as you can see it here, 20k milliamps power, which is actually dope. It's actually amazing. Yes, guys. Where is this thing? Because alright, so because I'm recording and I was also on what's it called? I was also on camera. Alright, so that's literally what I want to actually show you guys. That is, it's actually amazing. Okay, let's try to go into phone. Android phones. Alright, so this is a phone IMS S10 Pro, new Android phone for just 28k, as you can see it, and there are a whole lot. You can actually just match up the one you actually want to do. Let's search for Android phones free shipping, because free shipping to Nigeria. Okay, so these are all the stuff that are free shipping here, guys. But this 100k milliamps is the one that's actually blowing up my mind, and I must buy it sincerely. So that I just wanted to show you guys that there's a lot of money for you to actually make on this AliExpress. So thank you very much for watching, and I don't think you guys will actually lack anything. As you can see here, this is the normal price for 100k milliamps. As you can see here, 22,000 naira plus, as you can see, and that's another 100k up there that I actually added to my cart for just 1k plus, because I'm actually a new member. I just registered new in you guys present right now. So it's actually cool, guys. Please make money with these, and yeah, I will actually catch you guys on the next one. If you want to actually see a part 2 of this video, please just drop a like on this video, and